Good morning, grade 7 HPE class. My name is Mr. Shin. I'll be your PE teacher for 2022. Um, I'm really, sorry to the new students at Trinity this year that, you have to start the new year like this where you can't meet your teachers in person. And, it's not ideal, but unfortunately, this is our reality. So I'm really looking forward to meeting you in person next week. I can see from our class list here that I've, there's some familiar faces. I've either taught you for HPE or for languages last year when you were in grade 6. But the people here without the photos, I'm guessing these are our new students. So hello and welcome to Eva, Shiloh, Will, Harrison, Gabrielle, Michael, Riley, Toby, Sophia, and Luke. Welcome. I look forward to teaching you HPE this year. Our very first unit of work for this term, for our theory, it is our safety unit. So we'll look at our sun safety, surf safety, and pool safety. And for our practical unit, we do our swimming. So it's a really, really good way to start the year, especially when it's still quite warm. I definitely enjoy teaching this unit because I used to swim myself, and I am somebody, a little about me, I'm a person who really loves my sport. I'm so passionate about coaching and I love every sport. Even though I'm not good at every one of the sports, I really enjoy trying and learning new sports. So when I do meet you in person next week, I would really like to get to know, what your sport is, what your interests are, and so on. Actually, in our theory work, I wanted to show you here that under this section, if you go to your My Unity class page, this is what you need to do this week. Week 2 online. That is the work you got to do today and tomorrow. We've got 2 lessons per week, and normally it's 1 theory lesson and 1 prac lesson. However, because you're doing your learning at home, we're going to try and smash out as much theory work as possible. So this week 2 online, when you click on that, you'll be able to download a Word document. And this is what you need to work through today and tomorrow. So work at your own pace. You've got today's lesson and tomorrow's lesson to do that. Make sure you take some breaks in between so you're not getting too tired sitting down. It is, and especially because our subject is HPE, we want you to be active. So take breaks, make sure you go for a walk. And even though you're doing your home learning in your own space, try and take the dog for a walk, go throw a footy around, go to the park, go for a little run. That way you can keep active. Once you've finished this Word document over the 2 lessons, please don't lose that. Make sure you save that and upload it back to this task here. If there are any questions, I'm more than happy for you to contact me by email, through the school email. And my Microsoft Teams hasn't been working very well for me yesterday, so that's why I'm doing this video. And if you do have any questions, either leave me a little text on the Microsoft Teams or just school email. Anyway, good luck with it, guys. I really look forward to meeting you all in person next week.